Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you how I made this green marble flaky design with some cute embellishments as well. I used a beautiful like multi-colored, multi-chrome flaky polish that I already had in my collection, as well as some new items that I received from bornprettystore.com. So yeah, if you want to know how I made this, please keep on watching. So first up, I had already applied a solid black color and a solid white, doing the black on the pointer finger as well as on the ring finger, and I am going to apply this beautiful flaky polish on there. This one is from the Gypsy Water series collection and it's called Taj Mahal. It is so beautiful. It shifts from green towards a purple, towards kind of like a pinky color as well. It is so gorgeous. I think I purchased this color I'd say like a year, maybe 1.5 years ago already, and I haven't really used them much on my own nails at least, but of course I already did do a full-on swatch and review video when I just got them in the mail. As I mentioned, I did purchase these myself, but the foil and some of the embellishments that I'm going to use in this video are sponsored by Born Pretty Store, so they just sent me out some really beautiful items for me to just use them in my designs, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, I'm just going to apply a beautiful layer of that flaky polish on top of the solid black color. I'm not quite sure what brands I used for the black and the white, but I know that Born Pretty Store also has these solid creamy polishes in their collection as well. And also, if you can't find any decent black and white polishes that are quickly opaque, you can also use stamping polishes for that, because those are highly opaque, highly pigmented, and yeah, you just have to apply one coat. Then I am going to use this beautiful green marble foil, which I got from Born Pretty Store as well, and also the star glue. This is like a foil glue, and this was actually my second time trying foils after a long time. Like the first time trying it, I kind of failed. I think I applied too much of the foil glue, and the foil was just not sticking on there and I had some patchiness, and I fixed that by adding a glittery polish. So yeah, glitters can fix any mistake in my opinion, but I just wanted to give it another try and just use this beautiful green marble foil instead. Last time I tried this technique with the pinkish golden foil, but I'm definitely going to try and use that one again because it was totally my technique and just adding too much glue, so it wasn't like the foil's mistake, if you know what I mean. But yeah, you just want to apply a little bit of that foil glue to the nail. I just let it dry for like 30 seconds towards a minute. Just let it get really tacky, you know. It doesn't fully dry anyway because it is a glue, and it will only get more dry when there's foil on top of there. So I'm just going to press that on there using one of my silicone tools to really smooth it out. Make sure there aren't any like air bubbles or something like that underneath, and I really took my time with this. As you can see, this video isn't sped up at all. Of course, you can always watch my videos in like a little bit more sped up rate if you want to, just to save some time of your day. I can totally understand that, but I just wanted to show you what it is like to actually do nail art and how much time it takes, because it really doesn't take much time to do a beautiful manicure at all. And you don't need any super like kick-ass ninja nail art skills either. If you have good products and you have a little bit of spare time and just a huge passion for nails and nail art, I am sure that every single person, whether you're just starting out with nail art or whether you're a pro doing this for 15 years like I do, I am sure that everyone can do a design like this. It's really easy, and yeah, you only need some good decent products. They don't have to cost a lot either. You guys know me, I'm really like a budget-proof kind of girl. Like, I'm Dutch. They always say that we Dutch are so-called like gierig. That's not completely true though, because yeah, I'm not really like a cheapskate or something like that. I would rather like share everything I have with other people than just keeping it all to myself or anything like that. But yeah, it's sometimes the best products are really affordable as well. So don't get like blown away by some products or some brands actually like asking amounts of money for similar items that you can actually get from stores like bornprettystore.com. Oh, by the way, I do have a discount code of 20%, so if you want to use that, definitely check that out. I always share it in my description box underneath every single video, as well as in the pinned comments when it's actually a video that I use Born Pretty Store products in. But here you can actually see me. It is so easy just applying this foil. You can just see me doing it. If it's still a little bit tacky and the foil won't adhere to the glue yet, just give it a little extra time, a little extra of like pressure or a push. Silicone tools really work best like that, and I know that they are really inexpensive as well. You can get them from Born Pretty Store, of course, but you can also get them at AliExpress. I know that Born Pretty Store is also on AliExpress, so if you want to check that out, you can definitely do that as well. But the only thing is, my discount code only works on their like own website, their own web store. So if you want to like get some use out of my discount code, you definitely have to go onto their website to actually use it. So yeah, that's a little side note. I already, as you could see, applied a second layer of that beautiful flaky polish just to give it a little bit more oomph, a little bit more depth. I really love this design. I'm so obsessed with it. I think it's gorgeous. Usually I don't go for greens that much, but combined with this beautiful green marble foil and just all of the embellishments, the colored metallic shards that I'm going to use, as you can see here, I'm a little bit obsessed and a little bit fangirling on my own nail design. So yeah, for the thumb, I just added a little bit of a top coat, and I'm just going to place that beautiful like crescent moon shaped golden embellishment in the center of my nail, more towards the cuticle area. Of course, gem placement is a very personal thing, in my opinion. I really love to put my gems more towards the cuticle area because I just think it looks so cute and so just feminine and sophisticated. I don't know, I really like it. Oh, and one little tip, you can just go over your metallic like golden or silver or anything embellishments with your top coat to seal it in and to make sure that it stays put for a longer period of time. You don't want to do that when you're using gems or crystals because that just dulls their shine. So yeah, that's just a little heads up. You can totally like cover your metallic kind of embellishments or anything like that, because those will actually like stay put longer and keep their shine compared to if you would add a top coat on top of gems. So yeah, I'm just going to add some random like stuff to my nails. I didn't really have a plan on forehand. You guys know me, I usually just go with the flow, and whatever I feel like doing, that's going to be put on my nails. So it's really like something that's in the moment when I do my nails. Of course, if I work on other people, I always discuss on forehand what they would like. Mostly they just say like, oh, you can do whatever you want. I just pick some nice colors, make a cute combination, add some gems or stickers or foils or anything like that. So yeah, I don't really work according to plan because there just simply isn't a plan. But it's totally up to you. If you do recreate this design, please let me know. I'm really curious and excited to see what other people will make based upon my design. And yeah, that was just a little side note as well in this video. So I really wanted to add some of these shards. These come in mixed pots that Born Pretty Store also sent out to me. Yeah, I think they're pretty cool. I haven't used them a lot. I already had some different colored ones in my collection that I got from AliExpress, I think, like a year ago or something. But yeah, I haven't used those much, but now I was like, okay, I really want to use them, especially combined with the foil and just the beautiful gold embellishments as well. I think it looks really pretty. And yeah, sometimes it's a little bit hard to place your gems or shards or anything like that on a nail. I just use one of my wax tip gem tools or gem picker up tools, however you want to call it. Yeah, it's totally up to you. If you don't have it, it's really inexpensive as well. You can get it at Born Pretty Store because that's where I got mine as well. I actually bought it myself. Little disclaimer, a lot of my collection is actually self-bought, so it's not like I got my entire collection just from PR or something like that. But you can use a toothpick as well, or maybe a dotting tool with a little bit of wax on it. That works really nicely as well if you don't have a tool like this. But yeah, in the end, on the pinky, I added a little golden star, but I actually took it off because I felt like it wasn't, I was just not really feeling it. So I just kept that one completely bare, just like the black and flaky polished ring fingernail. But this was already the entire design. Please let me know what you think. I'm really curious to hear about your opinion, if this design is something that you would recreate yourself as well or wear or anything like that. Again, if you want to use my discount, you're totally free to do so. And as usual, I love you so much. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.